Hi guys, PT2 now, because my last one, you guys already know, didn't actually publish because I didn't record it. So yeah. Also, here's our math problem. 40 plus... No, not 40, because then I just have to solve the first one, then I've already got a number. Second command out, but 15 plus 68. Yeah. Okay, 68. 5 plus 8. Okay, that's 13. Wait guys, I'll be right back. I have to do something real quick. Can't do this right now, can't do this right now, can't do this right now, can't do this right now. And yeah. First let me eat, dude. Dude, no. The spiders are gone, the spiders are gone. They're not gone. They're actually not gone, dude. All my training, they have now just paid off. All my training that I've gotten in the last episode, has it paid off? Has it finally paid itself? No, not yet. Yes, one. Yes! Yes! No! No! Yes! Wait. Yes! No, 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 boo, boo, you smell like boo. I heard my dad say, ow, so I thought somebody broke into our house and hurt him, but actually that wasn't the case. It was my baby brother playing with him, and my baby brother hit him with a toy very hard. Bulldoze hard. Look, seems like I've got way too many blocks. Okay. Let's put one out there. Break one from here. This is where I have to place it. You tried to kill me last night, but you didn't succeed. Is this actually worth it? Is it worth it to post videos on YouTube? Because it's so hard to get 10,000 subscribers, and look at what's happening. Actually, videos that I do hard things to get. RP starting when that I really needed to get posted. No, can't. That first video ever. This video is 1 second long. Not posted. That's why I'm going to say my final words before I tell you my new merch. That's everything that a YouTuber says. Okay, well now you know.